Ever wondered who's at the helm of Paysend, the global money transfer service that's making waves in the financial tech world? Let's dive in and discover the mastermind behind this innovative company. Paysend's impact. Paysend has revolutionized the way we send money internationally, offering a fast, secure, and cost-effective solution. But who is the visionary leading this global financial revolution? Importance of leadership. A company's CEO plays a crucial role in shaping its direction and success. So, let's explore the journey of the individual who has steered Paysend to where it is today. The CEO reveal. Introduction of CEO, drumroll, please. The CEO of Paysend is CEO's name. A name that might not be as familiar as some tech titans, but one that's synonymous with financial innovation and global connectivity. Background and career. Let's delve into CEO's name's background. Where did they start? What were their early career aspirations? How did they transition into the world of fintech? Key achievements. CEO's name has led Paysend to numerous milestones. Let's highlight some of their key achievements, such as Achievement 1, Achievement 2, Achievement 3. Vision and mission. What drives CEO's name and Paysend? Let's explore their vision for the future of global payments and their mission to empower individuals and businesses worldwide. Behind the scenes. Company culture. A CEO's influence extends beyond the boardroom. Let's take a look at how CEO's name has shaped Paysend's company culture, fostering innovation, collaboration, and a strong sense of purpose. Challenges and triumphs. Every CEO faces challenges. Let's discuss some of the obstacles CEO's name has encountered and how they have overcome them to drive Paysend's success. Personal life and interests. To get a more complete picture, let's explore CEO's name's personal life and interests. What do they do outside of work? What are their passions? The future of Paysend. Upcoming innovations. What's next for Paysend under CEO's name leadership? Let's discuss some of the exciting innovations and initiatives the company has planned for the future. Industry impact. How is Paysend shaping the fintech landscape? Let's explore the company's impact on the industry and its potential to revolutionize global payments. Recap the key points discussed in the video, emphasizing CEO's name's role in driving Paysend's success. Encourage viewers to learn more about Paysend and its services, perhaps by visiting the company's website or social media channels. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.